Hello guys, this is Ghost Power Ugiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money online with two websites. So just keep on watching. Let me show you step by step how you can make money with this cool two website. So just keep on watching. Let me take you now to my smartphone. So guys, like I said I will show you two websites that you can use to make money online. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. So as you can see, this is the first website, which is called Sproutgigs. Sproutgig is a website that is known previously as Pico Worker, and now they changed their name to Sproutgigs. So now what they are doing is that you can create a gig or like you can see on Fiverr, and you can see complete offers, and you can make money in both ways. And you can make money too in another way, which is their referral program, which you can refer people to Sproutgig, and you can get 5% for referring people to this program. So that is what you need to know about Sproutgig. And for those of you who don't know about this website, you can go and watch my previous video that will pop up right now, so that you will know more details about this website, which is called Sproutgig, which was previously Pico Worker and now is called Sproutgig. So how to register on Sproutgig is very, very simple. Firstly, what you have to do is you click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, it will bring you here. First, you are going to enter your full name, enter your email address, enter your password, re-enter your confirm your password, and you scroll down. You enter your nickname, you enter your country, and you accept. You can click on one of them here. You can see that you can select your country. Once you select your country, then you can just select any one here. But when you already log into your account, you can switch between worker and what I am a worker and I am employer. So I am a worker means that you can be working for people, while I am employer means that you can employ people to complete a particular task for you. So that is how it works, and you can switch it on your dashboard when you already log in, because worker account, employer account, they combine the two together, and you can switch between the two. Let me say you want to create a job for people on Sproutgig, you can just click on switch. It will switch to employer, which if you want to start completing offer, like you want to make money from other people or services, you can just click on worker. So that is it. You can switch to worker if you want to work for people. You can switch to employer if you want to employ people to do complete a particular task for you. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. Then what you have to do next is accept the terms and condition. Once you accept that you want them to be sending you occasional email, and you click on sign up. So once you sign up, congratulations, your account has been created. You need to go to your email and click on the Gmail they sent to you, so that you can verify your own account. So once you have clicked on the email that is sent to you, then your account will be verified. The next thing you are going to do is to log into your Sproutgig account. So I'm going to log in and show you around Sproutgig. So I click on login. I will enter my password and log in directly. So as you can see, I just log into my own account. As you can see, currently I have a $8 of spendable. This money, I deposited this money because I'm using it to complete some task on this my account. So as you can see, the first way you can make money, I will just show. The first way you can make money is the referral program. So if I click on where it say refer a friend, if I click on refer a friend here, so it's going to bring us, it say post your affiliate link on blog, website, forum, social media, or web Sproutgig review, referral, new member, freelancer and business owner, and earn commission revenue. So what they are saying here is that if you share your link with your friends, family, or on your social platform, or to your audience, anyone that sign up with your referral link, you are going to be getting 5% lifetime from anything that they purchase on this website, which is called Sproutgig, and any task that they complete on Sproutgig. So I hope you get the idea of how you can make money with this method. So let us move to other ways that you can use to make money with Sproutgig. I'll click on the logo here, and it will take us to the home page here. So you can make money in other way, which is the way that you can start completing tasks. So as you can see here, those are offers that people already created. Let me say, for example, you want to buy a gig. You can just click on the gig. Once you click on the gig that they have here, what you have to do, just scroll to the bottom. You can scroll to the bottom, and you'll find a section where you say hire, and you can see say risk free, which means if you hire this person and this person could not complete this task, you can ask a refund, and the person will refund the amount to you. Let me say, if it's not the type of job you wanted the person to complete for you, you can click on you can send the seller a message and it will refund the money back to you. That is what I want to talk about, hiring people on this platform. And other way, or the other way on how you can make money with Sproutgigs. If I click on this icon here and you click on, you see where it say now we are on worker account. That is why you can see all those things. So I need to click on where it say, you can see this button. If I click on this button now, as you can see, it say your profile type. So now it have take us to our worker account. As you can see, my worker account, how much I've earned for completing task on this platform is 100 cent, which is 1 cent. And as you can see here, my pending balance is 0, which is I don't have any money here. And when I click on this countdown, you can read through, but I just want to explain what it means. So what this means is that, let me see, you complete a task and you didn't complete the task, but you are going to be lost. You are going to be losing points, and this can go in a point that your account will get blocked because you are not like, it's like you are not serious with the task that you are completing. Make sure when you are completing a task, be honest and send in the real proof and complete the task so that you will receive your money and you will be getting more higher points and you will be rated high on this website, which is called Pico Worker. That is what I want to talk about concerning this icon, which say 170. You can see my scores here is 170. It's still good. So that is it. And so let us move to how you can make money with Pico Worker. So how you can make money with Pico Worker, you click on this icon here and you click on this section where it say micro jobs. So once you click on micro jobs, you click on the section where you say find jobs. So once you click on find jobs here, you can see a bunch of jobs that you can do here. So you can see this person, you are going to complete this task for $1.20. You can see this person is going to pay you 50 cents for complete this task. This person is going to pay you 20 cents. This person is going to pay you 21 cents. This person is going to pay you 20 cents. So it keeps on going and so on. This person is going to pay you $1.20 for just completing this task. You can see this person is, you are going to watch videos. You can see this person say offer, watch YouTube videos. So what you have to do is to watch YouTube video. If you click on it, I don't want to click on it for security reason. If I click on it now, it will open and you will see the information what you have to do to be able to get this $1. So that is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple. You can go and try this application out, which is called Sproutgigs. So that is the two ways I know that you can use to make money with Sproutgigs. And another way you can make money with Sproutgigs is to create offer. Like you can create a gig. When people buy this gig from you, you can make money. So it's very, very simple, guys. You can go and try this application. They have the application, but the application I tried using the application, but it's not really working like in the web. So you need to be careful because I don't know if it's their real application. So be careful with the application that is on Google Play Store. I'm not sure if that is Sproutgigs application. So if they already have application or not. So I don't really have any idea or information about this. So be careful on that. So let us move to the second application that you can use or website that you can use to make money online for 100% free. You are not paying any money. And I forget something. Don't forget to use my referral link in the description to sign up on Sproutgigs. So let me know what you think about this website Sproutgigs in the comment section. So let me know and let us move to the next word. So as you can see, guys, this is the next website, which is called instagc. Instagc is a very simple website that allows you to make money by giving your own opinion. You can watch video, completing tasks, taking surveys, and you are getting paid in return. You can download the application. You make money by just using this website. As you can see, look at what it says. It says endpoint for things you already do online. So watch videos, you take surveys, completing surveys, you are getting paid. Watching videos, you are getting paid. Shopping online, you are getting paid. Searching on web, you are getting paid. How the search on web work is that you have to install instagc Chrome extension so that when you search on web, it will be dictating everything that you are doing, and in return you are going to be getting some points, some coin for doing this. And that is how the search earning method work. So if you scroll down here, once you click on say redeem your points for gift card. So if I click on that now, you'll see a bunch of gift card that they have sent to their users, and we don't need to go into that. So how you can sign up, I know that is what will be interested to you now. How you can sign up: first you need to enter your username, enter your password, enter your email account, and click on sign up. I want to say that instagc require you to have at least a verified paper account so that your account will be fully verified. So once you have entered all your information here, you can click on sign up and you get 10 points for just signing up. So you have to use my referral code, my referral link in the description, so that you'll be able to get a lot of points, and I'll be sending you more ways that you can use to make money with this application. So that is it, guys. If you're enjoying this video, all I just ask from you is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will really help me a lot. So let us keep on going. So like I said, you can sign up directly like with the form that you are seeing here, or you can sign up with your Facebook, Twitter, or your Google account. So me, I'm going to log into my own account so that I will show you around instagc. I'm going to log in now. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of instagc that you can see on the screen here. I'm using it on the mobile. You can use all these two applications that I'm talking about, Sproutgigs and instagc. You can find those applications on your web, so you can use them too on your web. So it doesn't matter if you only have a computer, you can do this. If you only have a smartphone, you can do this. So as you can see, how this website works is that you can make money by taking surveys. Let me say I want to take surveys now. All I just need to do is to click on the tab of surveys, or you can leave it at all. So when you leave it at all, it will show you all ways that you can use to make money. If I click on instagc now, it's going to take us to this section. So you can see that for us taking a survey, you'll be getting 80 points for each survey that we are taking here. So this is daily task that they have, and you can, if I click on this survey now, I complete this survey, I will get paid 80 points. This 80 points is converted as dollars. So 1 point is 1 cent. 1 point is 1 cent. So which means if you have 100 points, you have $1. If you have 200 points, you have $2. So it keeps on going and so on. And you can see that you can make money with this website with this strategy that you can see here. So that is how you can make money with this application. And other way you can make money with this application is to watch video. If I click on Hideout TV here, if I click on Hideout TV, you will see it will pop up and it will ask us to go and watch video in different category, and you will get paid by points, and that point will be converted into your instagc points, and you can convert it into paper cash. So you can see that you can watch video on instagc and you are getting paid in return. So that is how the Hideout TV session work. You can see a lot of video that you can start watching right now and make money at the end of the day. So let us go back again. If I click on where you say offer to row, once I click on offer to row here, this session, you'll be able to download the application, complete a task, and you are getting paid. You can see application that you can download, and if you can see this application, open game and finish the level 20 within 10 days, and you will get paid 580 points, which is $5.80. So it keeps on going. You can see this person is going to pay you 1k for you 1740 points. It keeps on going. So select any application you want to download here and install it on your smartphone. Use it according to the requirement of what they ask you to do, and once you complete it, you will see that your points will be credited into your instagc account. At the end, you can decide to cash it out to whatsoever you want it to do. So that is how all this whole platform that you can see here is working. Click on anyone, they have something that you can do, and in return you can make money by just doing that. So let me show you another way you can make money with instagc. If I click on this icon here, if I click on these three icons here, and you will see, when you can look on the now where it say promote, under promote you see referral. If I click on referral here, you can see that if anyone you refer to this application, which is instagc, you are going to make 10 points, 10%, which is 10 points from any point that they make through the transaction, through any task that they complete. You are going to be making 10 points, which is 10% of anything that they do. As long as they earn points, you will make your own points. So that is how it works. So that is why I said you should use my referral link, so that you can be making points anytime I'm completing tasks, and anytime you complete tasks, me, I'm making money. Me too, I'm making money from you. You are making money from me. This is kind of 50-50. So there is no like cheating here. So you are winning, I'm winning. So everybody is a win-win for us. So that is why I said use my referral link. So it will be the second link in the description. So try it out and let me know what you think. I know I didn't talk about how you can cash out on Sproutgigs, but Sproutgigs have a cash out method that you can use as PayPal and into your bank account or into your Bitcoin account. So on this website, which is called instagc, instagc will allow you to cash out with instagc will allow you to cash out with PayPal and other payment method. So if I click on this section, you see where I say redeem. So if you click on order reward, when I click on order reward here, you will see my payment method and all the payment I've received from this website. You can see PayPal or Bitcoin. And if I go back again, I click on gift card stores, you can see a bunch of gift cards that you can use to redeem your money. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video, guys. I don't know what to think about this make money method, but I think it's a good way. So you can go and try it out. What you have to do for me is to let me know what you think about these two websites in the description below. And don't forget again to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will say thank you and see you on my next video. I forget something. Before you end this video, you can watch this next video that will pop up right now to learn how you can make money online for 100% free with crypto. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.